2018 Honda Civic. We're going to reset the oil life. This is the one that has the radio like this, where you can't reset it through the radio. We're going to use the stick right here, okay? So right now, if you press the stick, you can get it to say oil life right here. We're going to go ahead and turn the car off. It's running. And we're going to turn the key forward until we light up the dash and everything. We're going to press and hold down the stick right here on the gauge cluster for at least 10 seconds. Oil life will start to flash. We'll let go of the stick and then hold it back down. So just give it a little bit of time. Let go, then hold it back down. And it resets 100%. And that is it. Well, I hope this video was quick, straight to the point, and helped you out. And if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a comment or hit the thumbs up button. And if you would be so kind to subscribe, that would be great too.